First thing to do is open up your desktop version of Microsoft Word and then select blank document. And in terms of creating a first draft with Copilot, I'm going to select the describe what you'd like to draft with Copilot box above the page. And this is where we're going to insert a prompt. So keep an eye on the screen and I'm going to add the prompt shortly. At this point, you may want to pause the video so that you can copy the prompt on screen. Otherwise, there will be materials available with prompts should you wish to follow along. And when you've added the prompt, go ahead and select the blue send button. What you may find is that it takes a little bit of time for Copilot to process that and produce the content on screen. When it has finished, it will provide you with an opportunity to choose to keep it. You can regenerate it. You can discard it. You can also select here to edit the prompt, and you can add to the prompt by selecting the area as highlighted on screen. So for example, as it says here, make it formal. So you can fine tune the draft to add some detail to regenerate it. If I click back on the arrow button, I'll go back to the original options. And so if you were creating a draft, I would recommend that you read through it. And if you're then happy with what you can see, select the Keep It button. So this is our first draft document. It's an AI high-powered hub and a comprehensive introduction and strategic overview. Now, if you're happy with this, you can save a copy onto your computer or you can save it to your OneDrive. I'm going to head to File and I'm going to select Save As, and I'm going to save it to my OneDrive. So let's give this a name. I'm going to call this the AI Powered Hub Overview. And then I'm going to click on Save. And the next thing I want to do is go to the File menu and select Blank Document once more. So this time, what I would like to do is select the Describe What You'd Like to Draft with Copilot box, and I'm going to enter another prompt. Create a comprehensive plan for deploying the AI high-powered hub. Once again, take a moment to copy the prompt on the screen. Otherwise, please refer to the support materials related to this training course. When you've done that, go ahead and select the blue Send button. Now, occasionally an error may pop up, so something like this. And if you wish to, you can present feedback to Microsoft. Otherwise, you can dismiss that message and you can try again. So once again, we're presented with various options. So we could edit the prompt by clicking here. We could choose to regenerate that prompt if we're not happy. We could discard it completely. We could add to it by selecting the box here. Now I'm fairly happy, so I'm just going to select the Keep It button. And here is your new document. So I'm going to save this one again by going to File. Then I'm going to go to Save As. And I've added the name of the document. And then I'm just going to select Save. So that is an example of how you can draft a document using the feature that pops up when you first create a brand new document. Now, it's worth mentioning this did take a little bit of time to produce, so you could always select the Copilot panel and type a new prompt in the message panel.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.